Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Britt and today I have the biggest Zara haul for you guys. I don't think I've ever spent this much money ever on one shop in my whole entire life. This was the best feeling I've ever had, like just going into Zara and picking everything I wanted. I ended up spending $630 in one transaction. So this video is going to be massively long. I'm just going to get into it and stop talking and yeah. Okay, so first of all, I'm just going to start with basics, and I did get a few basics. I love Zara basics, they last so long, and I need some new ones for winter and new ones in general just because I spilled coffee on half of them and need new basics. And this is why Zara is great, because these are like all $15 each or like less, and they're such good quality, and like it's not bad if you like spill something or ruin them because they're $15, and you know, you guys know what I mean. I'm just like, I'm going crazy because I'm so excited about this haul. Anyways, I got these cropped long sleeve basic tops. I got one in white and one in black, and I honestly wish you guys could feel the material. Honestly wish you guys could feel the material on these because they are so nice and soft. These are just going to be so great for autumn and winter. Next up, I have this kind of graphic tee, and it is pink, and it says today's outfit is pink in this like I don't know what you call it, but you can like, it like pops out and you can feel like the text. And oh my gosh, I just love this t-shirt. I know it's like really out there and like stupid, like today's outfit is pink, well duh, but this just called my name. I love pink secretly, so I thought this would be really cute, and I'm loving that pink and red trend at the moment, so I thought maybe I could like do an outfit with that. So this was $30 and I got it in a medium. Alrighty, next up, another pop of color, and this is a massive oversized. I got it in a size large because I wanted it really oversized. Red sweatshirt. Ow, Tag just hit me in the face. And it was only $20. Now I've been looking at heaps places like Glassons, where else did I look? H&M. There was a few red like jumpers, and they're all $40 upwards. So when I saw this, I was like, yes, I'm buying it, because I wasn't sure how much I would wear it. So for $20, I think this is super good and it looks super comfy. Alrighty guys, next up is my pride and joy, and probably my favorite thing from this whole entire haul, but it is this, oh my god, I can't even describe, this gorgeous midi skirt. And you guys know I love midi skirts. And it has button details down the side, and it's just like, it's like almost like a houndstooth but in like browns and beige. And I don't know why, but for autumn I'm loving brown and beige. Like the other day I was literally going to get brown nails and I was like, wait, would that look weird? So I didn't, but I think I will. But yeah, this is like honestly amazing. You guys will probably see it better in the try on portion, but oh my god, I can't even deal. And this was only $70. So I think for a statement skirt like this, $70 is pretty good. And it's from Zara women's section, so you know it's going to be good quality. Alrighty guys, next up is another skirt, and it's in that same trend, like that tartan kind of houndstooth. All that like houndstooth and tartan and like check stuff is coming back, and I am loving it. Like honestly, it just gives me so many Clueless vibes, and just, I don't even know, like I am living for it. So this is a mini skirt, and it's just a grey and a black with an orange line detail through it. And again, the buttons on the side. This is a massive trend. I think you guys saw that I had a midi skirt with buttons on the side from Sunny and Saba, and I absolutely love it. And I think all the skirts I got in this haul, all the buttons are on the side, so that's definitely a trend for this autumn. I got this in a size medium and it was $60. Alrighty, so next up, I'm not actually sure if these are going to fit me because I don't think I got them in the right size. I think I just grabbed the wrong ones. But they are this blue high-rise skinny jean with a red double strap down the edge with a frayed edge at the bottom. And I am literally living for these. Like this with that red sweater, like yes. I'm loving the red trend still, you guys probably know. and these were $70, so we'll have to see if they fit me. I'm hoping they do, otherwise I'll probably return them and see if they have my size. But yeah, I think I just grabbed the wrong size. It does say UK 12, but I think I'm a 40 in the size, in Zara sizing, and these are 38, so fingers crossed for me, you guys. Alrighty, and another midi skirt with a button detail down the side. This one is just a white kind of, yeah, it's like a thick cotton. Anyways, I thought this was just so nice, and I'm loving that trend of, I guess it's not even a trend, but like I've been seeing heaps on Pinterest, people wearing midi skirts with like really chunky knits and jumpers tucked into them. So that's why I bought so many skirts and midi skirts, because I'm literally living for that this autumn. This was $70, again from Zara. Oh no, this is in the Zara basic section. So really cute for work, and yeah, just a basic, but not really a basic because it's like fun and trendy. Okay guys, next up, I have this graphic tee. I don't know what it is about pink lately, but I'm digging it. It says Way to Paradise, and it has these like jewels on it, and it's like popping out, and I'm just a sucker for Zara graphic tees. They're like literally some of the most worn pieces in my wardrobe. I have a lot of them, and they're so cheap. Like this one was $30. I got this in a size medium, but this with just plain jeans, and like if you match your bag or your shoes to like the color in the graphic, I just love that look. So whenever I see a cool graphic from Zara, I always jump on it because they are such good quality and really easy to style. And with the graphic tees, I got this one, and it's more of like a 70s style with that ring neck. It's like one of those camp tees, is that what they're called? You guys get what I'm talking about, right? It just says waiting for Friday in this blue writing, and I just thought this would go so well with blue jeans. And this one was $13. Like a graphic tee for $13, that is super cute. Like, you guys, I could not pass that up. Okay, the next three items are actually the same thing, and they're just basic tees again. Like I said, I got heaps of basics. These are all $13 each, so I got a black and white striped one, I got a simple black one, and I got a white one. Just to stock up. Like I said, I've ruined all my others, and these are so good and so cheap. Okay, next up, and as you can probably see by my top, I am loving polka dots. This one is from Princess Polly, by the way. So I got this, another midi skirt. Don't judge me. You guys know when I like something, I like to have all of the items. Another midi skirt in a polka dot print with a side slit, and it just has lace at the bottom, which I thought was a really cute detail. I have seen someone wear this, and I can't remember who it is. I want to say Samantha Maria, I think that's how you pronounce her name. She's a YouTuber, and I love her fashion style. I think it was her. If so, I will link her YouTube channel, and yeah, she's like honestly the best style ever. Anyways, this was $50, and I just thought it was super cute again. For autumn, with a massive white chunky knit and some boots. I think this is like so cute. Alrighty guys, so next up is some statement pants, and these are just some wide leg trousers. They're like a satiny, really thick material. They have a side split at the bottom, which you will see better in the try portion. They have like an elastic waistband, which I'm not sure how I feel about, because it kind of makes it look like pajama pants, but I guess that's like a trend at the moment. These are just navy with a white pinstripe. I'm really excited to style these. These ones were $60, got them in a medium, so we'll have to try them on and see what they look like, because you know, I'm not like 100% sold, but I was still like, I'm gonna put those in my basket. Okay, so this is the last piece of today's haul. I definitely think this is one of my favorite pieces, and it is this amazing green, oh, how does it go? Sorry. let me get it right first. It is this amazing green tartan skirt, a mini skirt, with this gorgeous like gunmetal grey chain detail, and I am literally living for this so much. This with like a basic white tee and black boots for autumn, like yes. I'm loving green also. I think I showed you guys that I got this green bag from Zara too. I mean, hello, how cute. But yes, this one was I'm pretty sure this was $50, and I did get this in a size large. It was the only one left. I really needed it, so I thought I would get it and try it. It did look quite small on the hanger, like that looks not a large, and I had very wide hips, so I'm hoping it's going to fit me. But yeah, you'll soon see in the try on. I will leave my verdict of whether it fit me or it didn't. Alrighty guys, that is it for today's haul. Thank you so much for making it to the end and watching this. I really appreciate it so much. If you aren't already subscribed, make sure to do so, because I have heaps and heaps of videos coming out soon, like you have no idea. If you did like this type of video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you like Zara, if you like hauls, thumb this video up. Give it a like. It really helps me to know what type of videos you guys are liking from me. Also, let me know what your favorite piece was down in the comments. And yeah, that's about it from me. I really hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!